Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color tone of the wallpaper on your iPhone 16. So you may have seen some of my different videos have the same wallpaper for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but the color tone has changed. So I'm going to show you, if you want to adjust the color tone, how you do that. So basically you would go into settings on your iPhone, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for wallpaper, then go ahead and select wallpaper. And then after you select wallpaper, you're going to select this one here on the left side. This is for your lock screen, and it will allow you to match your home screen. So tap on this one, and then you're going to see the preview of the current design. So what you can do is just simply swipe to the left or the right, and it's going to give you the various colors, and it has them already named for the iPhone 16 default wallpapers. Now, if you add a completely different wallpaper, that is your own, maybe it's a picture or something like that, you can also add or change the color tone of that as well, as I'm going to show you here. So you can simply swipe and you can see the different color tones, and then it also allows you to do additional things with the color as well down here, where you can select a color and it completely changes the look and feel of that wallpaper. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Once you're done and you like what you see, you just simply press done on it and you're all good to go, and you just want to make sure that it's set as current. So hopefully that helps you guys. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.